Joey. Here we go, ready?
Ellie is a pampered kitty. She is much loved. Sit down, take your picture, smile for Stevie. Smile, you're in candy camera.
Wee, Ellie. Wee. Wee.
You guys, I think summer is really here.
Wee, Ellie, wee.
Think we're in summer in Seattle?
Wee, Ellie. Like that. Wee. Here, look at Linda.
I know, I was watching.
Wee, Ellie. Oh my.
She likes it, Stevie. Instead of she likes it, Mikey, she likes it.
Wee, Ellie, wee, wee. Woohoo! Woohoo! Whoa, Ellie! Wow! Wee! Boo. What do you think, Ellie? Whoa, everything's spinning around. Oh boy. Meow, meow. Hey, Ellie.
Ellie's got her eyes on her tail. She's staring outside. Hi, Ellie.
I was spinning her around.
Oh, I know, it's funny, isn't it? Ellie, are you ready to have two girlfriends? Well, you guys aren't going to take them until you look at them first, right? Right, Michelle? Yeah, but Stevie won't be here. Well, you can send him a picture. Or maybe your boss will let you come home just to look at them.
Yeah.
Do they ever give you like an hour off or something? Zip home and zip back?
Come here. Meow, meow.